Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your iPad using a keyboard. First, ensure your iPad has the Roblox application installed and that your keyboard is fully charged. You will typically require a Bluetooth-enabled keyboard, though some wired keyboards with an appropriate adapter can also function. Having these items ready will help us connect everything smoothly. Connecting your keyboard to your iPad is a straightforward process. First, activate your keyboard's pairing mode, often indicated by a flashing light. Then, open your iPad settings, tap Bluetooth, and wait for your keyboard's name to appear in the Other Devices list. Simply tap its name to complete the pairing. A connected status will confirm success. This step establishes the essential communication. Once your keyboard is paired, open Roblox and join any game you wish to play. Inside the game, tap the Roblox icon on the top left of your screen to open the in-game menu. From there, navigate to Settings and confirm that keyboard input is recognized and enabled. Most Roblox games automatically detect a connected keyboard, but it is always good to double-check for optimal performance. For most Roblox games, character movement will primarily use the W, A, S, and D keys just like on a computer. The spacebar is usually for jumping, while the Shift key often triggers sprinting. Keep in mind that specific actions, like interacting with objects, can differ. Look for on-screen prompts or check the game's help menu. Practice these basic inputs to become comfortable with the controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.